Switching from QuickBooks to Zoho Books, here's how to migrate your data smoothly. To migrate from QuickBooks to Zoho Books, first export your data from QuickBooks, including customers, vendors, items, chart of accounts, and transactions, usually as Excel or CSV files. Next, sign into Zoho Books and go to Settings, then Imports and Exports, then Import Data. Import each module one by one: customers, vendors, items, invoices, bills, etc. Upload the exported files and map the QuickBooks fields to the corresponding Zoho Books fields. After importing, review your balances, open invoices, and reports to ensure accuracy. You can also migrate opening balances via Settings, then Opening Balances if needed. Once verified, your accounting data will be fully available in Zoho Books, and you can continue bookkeeping there. That's it. Your QuickBooks data is now migrated to Zoho Books. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.